Hi guys, so welcome to another episode with Tranquil Transformations. Before I begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, where I post on various topics regularly, and they will be completely very interesting for you. So don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin. So the first topic, or the important topic that today I am here for, is things that you should not do in your 20s, so that you have a smooth life in your 30s or the later years. So why have I taken this topic? So why I took up this topic is because this is a very important and a very essential topic for all of us, right? Basically, because 20s is a very crucial time. I have been there. It's mostly early adulthood. We are from teens. We are entering into adulthood, and I wanted to bring this topic, and I wanted to help my young friends here so that they don't make the mistakes that we all made, or in future also the other people who listen don't do the same. So let's begin. First one is trusting friends blindly. So what happens is, in our 20s we are very positive towards life. We're watching life through rose tinted glasses. We're not always very cautious with friends, so we tend to let bad friendships thrive in our lives because of loneliness, fear not fitting in. We tend to even bring in people who don't really wish well for us. So make sure that in your inner circle, in your boundaries, bring only those people who add value to your life. If they're not bringing value to your life, don't waste your time with them. Instead, focus on building your own skills, like reading, communication skills, right? How to thrive in some side hustle, or how to earn money, because it is very important these days to have something of your own. When you have your own finances on track, you feel empowered. Second, it's very important, and that is finances. So I don't know, a lot of people might be getting a lot of pocket money, a lot of people might not be getting a lot of pocket money. Nevertheless, it's very important to keep your finances on check. Just see where your money is going, or are you overspending in any part of your life, be it socializing, giving treats to friends, having your own treats, going to the to unnecessary shopping halls. These days there are many for us, for teens. As teens, we love shopping, we love makeup, we love buying things, all of it, right? So do it, but in a very, what do you say, balanced way, right? Third, casual dating. Now, in our 20s, we are free. We want to explore the world of dating. We are like a kind of attracted to the opposite sex. So, sometimes a lot of people indulge in blind or casual dating, and in that sense, they get into toxic, emotionally abusive relationships. So, it is very important that whenever you are dating, you date in a very good way in the sense, in a responsible way. You understand whether your value system, your goals, and even the reliability of the opposite sex with whom you are dating. It's very, very important. Aligning your goals. Now in 20s, we are ourselves so confused about our own goals that we don't understand how to go about it. So it's very important that you take your goals, your own things in your hand, right? Take your goals in your hand, see what you really want from your life, not what your friends want, not what your parents want, but what you want from your life. If your goal is to become a therapist, for example, I wanted to align it in that way. You want to become a writer, align your goals and your friendships and your networking in that way. These days it's very important to get into, the social media websites can be used for your own benefits, like LinkedIn. It can help you network and land in jobs which you didn't even think that existed, right? I have this habit of networking, and I've ended up in really good opportunities just by opening LinkedIn, right? Or Facebook. I've been very much active in Facebook, and I've made contacts with some really nice people, right? So it is very important. The next is I was coming to is networking. Now don't get into blind networking. Blind networking is like adding anyone and everyone in your circle and networking because networking is good. Just see what quality of networking you have, whether it's important, whether it's adding value to your life, and then network. Just don't blindly go and network with any second, third person in your life. Okay, so these are the few pointers which I feel have been very much coming from my heart, because I have experienced the 20s and I know what kind of mistakes youngsters do, specifically when you're staying independently, and there is, a sense of independence, but at that point you have to be responsible with your choices as well. So that's it for today, and I hope you like this casual chit chat, but it's not that casual also. I hope you had some takeaways. Want to connect with me for sessions? All the description is given in the description box below. Everything is there. So just make sure that you check it out, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe all this with your friends and family so that they benefit. Until next time, have a great, good morning, evening and night. Take care.